Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of Halloween week. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I know we've only done one look so far, but today we are doing a frostbitten Elsa. As you can see, I guess the cold did end up bothering her. So I actually filmed this video twice because the first time I filmed it, I did not like how it turned out. So you're gonna see me do like my base face one day and the next day I do this part. I'm all using the same exact makeup and everything, but I do have again another picture of, if we can get the lights, of what I went off of. Zoom in, there we go. Just this like frostbitten Elsa. Again, like I said, I did it twice. The last time I did it, I did way too much glitter and not enough like the frosty type of ness to it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, then just keep watching. So for my eye look, I'm just using one shade from the Colourpop. It's my Pleasure palette, and then also from their Lilac You A Lot palette, another shade from there on the outer corner, and that's literally all I did for the eye look. I went in with a brown liner and did a little wing, and after that I went in with a white cream gel liner for the waterline, and then just finished off with my favorite mascara. And that was all for the eye look. It was super simple. Just tossing my hair to the side and doing a quick braid and then pulling the pieces out to make it look thicker. Going in with some liquid latex, and I am putting it on a makeup sponge and just putting it on some random spots in my face. Grabbing a fan to help everything dry faster, and once it all dries, we're going to pick some holes to make it look like blisters. I did end up grabbing some tweezers, and what I found really worked was I would pull a piece of the skin and kind of just twist it back and forth, and then I also picked at it some with my fingers to give more little bubbles. I ended up messing up my nose, so I just pulled it all off and redid it. Going in with the Jeffree Star Cremated palette, I grabbed a bunch of different grays in the palette to go ahead and start putting around the liquid latex to just give it that frostbitten look. I wasn't super precise with how I applied it. I kind of just put it on there, and I feel like that added to the effect. Now going in with the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star, and I grabbed this red shade to put where we poked those holes to make them look like blisters. And I then added another like purpley shade to mix it in with the red because it looked a little bit too red for my liking. And then I added the red and purple and a little bit of a light blue underneath my nose to make it look a little cold. Throwing on a quick lipstick, and then I grabbed the Colourpop Wet palette and I grabbed some of the blues in there to put on my lips to make them also look like the cold effect. Back in the Cremated palette, I'm just grabbing some more of the darker grays and blacks to just give a little bit more detail work around the latex. Picking up this silvery-ish blue color from a Juvia's palette to add some of a highlight on top to make it look a little bit more icy. Now going in with some lash glue to apply some glitter flakes around to give it kind of that snow icy appeal. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed.